Welcome to the next video in our series Zero Content to Hero Content. We're going to look at further enhancing your content through Search Engine Optimization, or SEO for short. SEO summed up in a sentence: making your website more attractive to search engines. Make no mistake, SEO is a big topic, but in this video we'll aim to cover some basic SEO principles that are crucial for boosting your website's visibility and ranking in the search engine results. My name is Wayne Howcroft and I have been heading up AfriDesign for the last 20 years. In those 2 decades, we have assisted thousands of customers with designing, hosting and maintaining their websites. One consistent factor across all industries that we have observed is that customers often lack quality content for their websites. The aim of this course is to help you create compelling content for your website that turns visitors into customers. Mastering the basics of SEO is essential to make your website stand out. This section will delve into the essential SEO best practices, helping you optimize your website effectively. By focusing on these key strategies, you can significantly improve your website's online presence and search engine rankings. While these are tasks you can undertake yourself, having a team to guide, edit, and maintain your website may prove to be invaluable. So let's get into some SEO best practices. Number 1, keyword research. Keyword research is the cornerstone of SEO. It involves identifying the most relevant and frequently searched terms used by your target audience. The process tailors your content to meet specific search queries, thereby improving your site's relevance and visibility. If you followed this course up to this point, you should have a fairly good idea of what keywords are likely to work for you. However, we can leverage technology to help us conduct even more thorough research to find the best keywords for your industry or business. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner to conduct comprehensive keyword research and find high traffic keywords relevant to your business can provide new insights. It's worth doing if you are serious about growing your website. The next step is one of the easiest to do but often overlooked: on-page optimization. On-page optimization involves measures taken directly within your website to improve its rankings. This includes optimizing content and HTML source code with relevant keywords in titles, meta descriptions, and headings. Ensuring each of your website pages is well structured, informative, and provides value to visitors. Gone are the days when you could fool the search engines by just throwing a bunch of keywords at them. You want to avoid keyword stuffing, as it will harm your SEO and user experience. Number 3, content quality. From the start of this course, we have highlighted the need for high quality, relevant, and informative content. Why? Because it benefits your customers and it's also favored by the search engines. The goal is to create original content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. As a byproduct, valuable content is more likely to be consumed, shared, and therefore rank higher and ultimately translate into more customers. So how much content should we be looking at to satisfy the search engines? Aim for a minimum of around 200 words per page. To enhance this, consider listing your products or services with an additional descriptive text of around 100 words each. Next, user experience. A user-friendly website with easy navigation, mobile compatibility, and fast loading pages tends to rank better in search engine results. You might not know this, but search engines monitor how long visitors stay on your site and how quickly they leave. A bad user interface can cause people to leave quickly, leading search engines to conclude this site is not delivering the right content to users. As a result, your site could be penalized in the search engine rankings. Number 5, mobile-friendly design. With the increasing use of smartphones, a mobile-friendly website is crucial. Search engines prioritize mobile-optimized sites in their rankings. This means you need to ensure that a mobile-friendly version of your website is available to visitors. Number 6, page speed. Fast-loading websites provide a better user experience and typically rank higher in search results. The more content you have on a single page, the slower it will load. To improve your website's loading speed, you can look at optimizing images and possibly splitting up pages into smaller blocks of content. On this point, if you have an international audience, consider leveraging content delivery networks, or CDNs for short. CDNs store copies of your site on multiple servers across the world, ensuring quick access for global visitors. Number 7, analytics and monitoring. Using tools to track and analyze your website's performance is essential for refining your SEO strategy. Regularly monitor your website with tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These tools help you understand user behavior and pinpoint areas for improvement. It's worth noting, avoid knee-jerk reactions to short-term traffic drops. Consider external factors like time of the year, holidays, tax season, year-end, etc. Monitor your site over a long period of time to identify a pattern, providing benchmarks for comparison. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and it will take some time to see significant results. It's not an overnight process. Implementing these best practices will help you enhance your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic in the long run. Let's quickly take a closer look at some free SEO tools. Google Search Console. This free tool from Google offers valuable insights into your website's performance in the search results. It allows you to monitor your site's indexing status, view search analytics, and identify crawl errors. By analyzing this data, you can pinpoint areas for improvement and optimize your content accordingly. Google Analytics. Google Analytics helps you track and analyze your website's traffic and user behavior. It provides comprehensive data on visitor numbers, their geographic location, the pages they visit, the duration of their visits. This information is vital for understanding how users interact with your site and where improvements can be made. Regular use of these tools can provide ongoing feedback on your SEO efforts, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and continually refine your approach. Having a skilled design team assist you with these tools is crucial for achieving a successful online presence. It's worth spending some time delving a little deeper into keywords. Conducting keyword research is a crucial step in SEO to identify relevant keywords that your target audience is using when searching for products or services or information related to your business. Before we look at some practical keyword examples, it's worth stating again, use these keywords naturally in your written content and imagery. A little side note, Google has not used the meta keyword tag for more than a decade now. Rather, Google looks for keywords in your content. Let's break it down with a step-by-step guide and some practical examples. Number 1, understanding your target audience. If you followed this course from the start, you will have heard this statement a few times already. Gaining a deeper understanding of your target audience and their search intent cannot be underestimated. Identifying the terms they are likely to use when searching for solutions or information in your industry is crucial. The goal by the end of all this is to know your audience inside and out. Number 2, brainstorming seed keywords. Seed keywords in SEO are foundational keywords or phrases that are most closely related to your business, products, or services. They are the starting point for conducting keyword research and are typically short, broad terms that represent the core of what your business offers. Seed keywords will also help generate additional keywords, long-tail keywords, and guide the development of your overall keyword strategy. For example, if you run an online fitness store, your seed keywords might include fitness equipment, workout gear, and exercise accessories. These terms are then used in the keyword research tools to discover related keywords and phrases that potential customers might use in the search engines. Initiate your keyword research with a list of seed keywords that directly relates to your business. Number 3, using keyword research tools. As mentioned before, use tools like Google Keyword Planner to broaden your keyword list and access valuable data. This helps you identify linked phrases and keywords that you might not have thought of initially. Number 4, balancing keyword selection. Balance high traffic keywords with those that have lower competition. What do we mean by this? High traffic keywords can drive more volume, but they often come with higher competition. Lower competition keywords or long tail keywords might have lower search volumes but can be more effective for targeting specific audiences. Let me show you an example of this. Let's choose a high traffic search term or keyword, fitness equipment. This is a broad term and it has high search volume, but also high competition due to its generic nature. Now let's look at an example of a long tail keyword. Our search term might look something like this: best home gym fitness equipment for small spaces. As you can see, this is a more specific term and it's likely to have lower search volumes, but also lower competition. The main difference is high traffic keywords attract broad audiences, but may not always lead to conversions due to their general nature. Where long tail keywords attract a more targeted audience, which often leads to higher conversions because the search intent is more specific. Chances are the page they land on will have the information they are looking for. I hope this gives you a slightly better understanding of the power of the right keywords within your content. Number 5, keyword research is an ongoing process. Please understand, it's not a one-time activity. Regularly review your keyword strategy to make sure it aligns with evolving search trends, user behavior, and even shifts in your business focus. Let's move on to selecting primary and secondary keywords. Selecting the right primary and secondary keywords for each page on your website is essential for effective SEO. Here are some steps to guide you. Number 1, review your content. Examine the content of each page to guide your choice of keywords. Select terms that are both popular and highly relevant to your content. Number 2, brainstorm relevant keywords. Now, you might be saying, again with the brainstorming, this is the quickest and easiest way to get what's in your head and the data you have collected onto a piece of paper and see it all in one place. Based on your content, brainstorm a list of relevant keywords, including synonyms, related terms, and long tail variations. Remember to use the tools we have mentioned to help you with this. Number 3, choose a primary keyword. Select one primary keyword that encapsulates the main topic of the page. This keyword should align with user search intent. Number 4, select secondary keywords. Choose 2 to 3 secondary keywords that are closely related to the primary keyword. These should support the main topic and add depth to your content. Number 5, integrate keywords strategically. Incorporate your primary and secondary keywords into your content. Use the primary keyword in your page's title, meta description, and within the content. Place secondary keywords in subheadings and throughout the content where relevant. Number 6, top tip. Use keywords in your website's URL. What does this mean? You want to include your primary keyword in the page's website address whenever possible. This enhances the web address's relevance and search engine friendliness. Here's an example from our own website, afridesign.com/monthly website design services. What do you think our main keywords are for those pages? This is pretty straightforward and easy to do, so make sure you implement it. Let's look at optimizing page content. Optimizing your page content is crucial for enhancing your website's visibility in search results. Here are some practical steps to guide you. Number 1, headers and subheadings. Use your primary and secondary keywords in headers and subheadings. If you're unfamiliar with H tags, think of them like the headings you use in Word or Google Docs. Having content within these tags helps improve SEO and makes your content more readable and engaging. Number 2, keywords in the first paragraph. Include your primary keywords in the opening paragraph to signal the main topic of the page to the search engines. Number 3, keyword density. Maintain a natural flow with a balanced keyword density. What do we mean when we say natural flow? Your content should read like a human conversation would. Avoid keyword stuffing because you might be penalized by the search engines. Number 4, creating engaging content. Focus on creating content that genuinely engages and informs your audience. High quality content that addresses users' questions and provides valuable insights is more likely to achieve better rankings. Okay, now we're going to get into some technical bits. Number one, meta titles. Meta titles are HTML elements that define the titles of web pages. Crucial for both SEO and user experience. The length of the meta title should be between 55 and 60 characters and read like an answer or a simple sentence. While this is not always possible, it should be the goal. Also, if possible, include the names of your business or brand in the meta title of the homepage. Incorporating your primary keyword into the page's title, ideally near the beginning. For instance, if healthy breakfast recipes is your primary keyword, the meta title could be delicious and nutritious healthy breakfast recipes. Number two, crafting compelling meta descriptions. Write an engaging meta description that includes your primary keyword. Meta descriptions can technically be any length, but Google generally snips it to 160 characters. Though meta descriptions do not directly influence rankings, they are crucial for click-through rates. A compelling description acts as an advertisement for your content in search results. Number three, alt tags. Alt tags are descriptive text assigned to images and internal links on your website. Use relevant keywords in the alt tags of your images to help search engines understand the context. For example, an image of a healthy bowl of breakfast on your site could have an alt tag like healthy breakfast recipes. I know that we have covered a lot of info in a short space of time, but by following these guidelines, you can optimize your page content effectively for both search engines and your audience, striking a balance between SEO tactics and high quality content. It's worth stating again, ensure the basics are done right, but the goal should be to provide great quality content to your customers that solves a problem or a pain point for them, and not to trick search engines into ranking your content higher. If you chase the tricks, you might just miss out on serving your customers' needs at the end of the day. And getting booted from the search engine results is never fun. Good quality content that converts casual browsers into loyal customers, that should always be the goal. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action and watch your website's performance improve. If you're looking for a dedicated team to support you with your ongoing website needs, allowing you to focus on what you do best while leaving the technical stuff to the experts, please do consider our services at AfriDesign. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.